companies that we invest in are dynamic. So let's say there'll always be things happening within the business that maybe we're not seeing. So that the business could be moving sort of, I guess, either vertically integrating, horizontally expanding into new markets. And so sometimes those, let's say, new business opportunities aren't necessarily captured in a current pricing. I try and think of it more in terms of let's say, a band or a scale. So good companies are always likely to be expensive. Poor companies are always likely to be cheap. Companies with attractive capital structures or attractive economics also tend to be more expensive. Companies which are in low return, high capex, cyclical industries will tend to have low ratings. So I try and think about those, call it economic factors, as well as looking at like a pure number.